Brazil's medical device market is a complex landscape regulated by ANVISA. Understanding these guidelines is crucial for successful market entry. RDC 751 of 2022 is the cornerstone regulation for device classification, aligning with international standards. ANVISA classifies devices into 4 risk-based classes. Class Y involves a simple notification process taking 30 to 60 days. Class 2 also requires notification, and the timeline is similar to Class 1 devices, also taking 30 to 60 days. Class 3 devices undergo full registration taking 8 to 12 months. Class 4, the highest risk, demands enhanced registration but also lasting 8 to 12 months. Understanding these timelines helps in strategic planning and compliance. ANVISA's classification rules are organized into 4 categories. Non-invasive devices fall under Rules 1 to 4, while invasive devices are covered by Rules 5 to 8. These rules guide the classification process. Active devices requiring an energy source are classified under Rules 9 to 13. Special Rules 14 to 22 address unique technologies. Familiarity with these rules ensures accurate device classification. Classes 3 and 4 require compliance with Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). Brazil's participation in the Medical Device Single Audit Program (MDSAP) can streamline certification for international manufacturers. Software as a medical device (SAMD) has specific ANVISA requirements. Laboratory-developed tests also require additional classification and validation. Understanding these unique requirements is essential for compliance. Comprehending RDC's and ANVISA's regulatory requirements is vital. Ensure proper device classification and documentation. Quality system certification and local representation in Brazil are crucial for success. By understanding ANVISA's classification system, you can navigate the Brazilian market effectively. Proper planning and compliance ensure a smooth market entry. Remember, successful market entry requires strategic planning and adherence to regulatory guidelines. By doing so, you'll achieve a competitive edge in Brazil's medical device market. Let's continue this journey together. Reach out for expert guidance on medical device registration and regulatory compliance in Brazil. Your success in the Brazilian market starts here. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay informed and proactive in your regulatory strategies. For more information, contact us or visit our website at www.brisa.com.br. Together, we can achieve success in the Brazilian medical device market.